Spica Group is a privately held group of companies with headquarters in Ljubljana, Slovenia. It was started in 1989 as a local automatic identification specialist, Spica International. The company operated successfully in Yugoslavia until the country broke up in 1992. The company adapted and expanded gradually by opening branches in other ex-Yugoslav countries. As of March 2016, the group has offices in 6 countries: Slovenia, Spica International d.o.o. Croatia, Špica Sustavi d.o.o. Serbia, Spica Centar d.o.o. Bosnia and Herzegovina, Spica Systems d.o.o. Macedonia, Spica Sistemi d.o.o. Montenegro. Sales Representative Office. Spica manufactures and markets a range of workforce management products including the software suite Time&Space, and accompanying access control and time recording devices Zone Button, Zone Wing and Zone Door. The company also runs 2 cloud solutions: All Hours for time and attendance and My Hours for job costing. Spica official website, Time&Space product site, All Hours product site, My Hours product site.